Hi, my name is Dex from myconsult, and today we're looking into how we can actually set different pricing for different customers in AutoCount. So first we need to do is we just need to come here to stock here, under stock item maintenance. Then here we can see all our different products. So like example, maybe base ring. Here you can come in here. Then here you can see there's different pricing levels here. So how we actually going to create the pricing? We just press edit. Then we can set what is the selling price. So let's say one of these is $19. So straight away the system will put for you what is all the rest of the prices are. So users can actually manually change. So let's say example for price 2 is $18.50. Or we can even do a markdown. So maybe the price 3 we put a 5% markdown, and then here we put a 10% markdown. Right, so of course sometimes we want to round it, we can also even do this like $18, right? So it's 5.26. all right, so this is how we can actually set the pricing. But if you can see here, now we actually have price 1 to price 6. We sometimes don't know which price is for which type of customers. So to change the text here, all we just need to do is we just press OK first, come here to tools under options. So come to stock here and come stock setting tool. So here we can put price 1 could be your recommended retail price. Price 2 can be a dealer, say end user. Price 3 is dealer. Price 4 is distributor. Price 5 can be a VIP customer, and price 6 could be a staff price. Alright. So once we're done with all that, we just press OK. And now when we come back to the stock item, you can see all the different pricing levels. Alright. So let's say for example, how are we going to tag a customer to this? So all we just need to do is come to AR here. Debtor maintenance, okay, and then we can select, say example, tax. All right, so let's say for example here we got under others here. So you can see here we edit. So here we got the multi pricing here, then you can actually select from here. So say example, tax is a dealer, so put here dealer, we save, and then your invoice and quotations will be generated based on that pricing. All right. So that's it for today. We hope that you find this useful. Do let us know in the comment below if you need us to cover a particular guide. Thanks.